Hello, Professor. My name is Christos Nassiopoulos, and I'm a part of Team 8, along with Trong Nguyen and Savannah O'Brien. And this is the mobile application for our Brain Helper tutoring service. So the mobile application is very similar to the website. As you can see here, we have the little logo on the top, and along with the drop-down menu on the right-hand corner. And we have our About Us right under the Welcome banner. And once again, the About Us just basically states that we're geared towards struggling students in almost any field of study to allow a high media richness means of communication for them to get the tutoring that they need on whatever field of study that they're looking for. Also states our price per hour and mentions how you can choose any tutor of your choice, and basically mentions the same exact things that the website mentions. It's just sorted out a little differently. These are just the examples of our tutoring services, and you keep scrolling down. There's the review that we were talking about in the other video that just enhances our website and makes people want to trust our website a little bit more when they see real people reviewing it. And contact information is on the bottom. So this is one page of the app, or the home page of the app, and the booking page of the app is very similar, once again, to the website. You can book whichever subject you're looking for very easily, and you just scroll through, pick the subject, and you book it right then and there through your account that you make. And on the About page, right here, it's just very simple. Once again, a quick little summary of what our company is all about and what we strive to do. And we have our testimonials right here, giving examples of how the app has helped them, and once again demonstrating that our app is different from the other ones and how it differentiates from the other tutoring services. And we have ample examples right down there. And you can actually write a review yourself right on the bottom here and submit it so we can get instant customer reviews, whether they're using the app or after they've used the application, which is very important for the future. And this is our professional services page, very simple, just basically tells you that the staff is qualified to do what they are doing and that they have run through background checks and they are certified tutors. And these are our tutors here. So once again, very similar to the website, but a little bit more organized as you can scroll through as opposed from reading left to right. And you can scroll through and look at all the tutors, look at their contact information, get in touch with them through your account once again. So very easy to use, very simple. And the last page is the Contact Us page. Right here, just gives our address and our email and our phone number. So the application is very similar to the actual website itself, although it is a little bit easier when you're doing things through your smartphone, as everyone nowadays is on their smartphone. And even though many students are at easy access to a computer of their own, it is still good to allow the service to be on a smartphone as well, because if you're on the go or you're trying to make a quick appointment and you can't exactly scramble and get your laptop out or get your laptop, period, this is a great way of booking an appointment ahead of time and just very efficient and fast and at your fingertips. So that's the design of our app. It's very simple, easy to navigate. We didn't want anything to be too overcomplicated or over-designed. We liked to go with a minimalistic design for this application because we thought that it fit the app best, because it's just a very easy service to use, and we wanted to embody that through the design of the application itself. And we wanted it to be aesthetically pleasing and just very straightforward on what it's aiming to do and what it will do, because of the way that the service is set up. It's almost guaranteed that you will have better knowledge in the subject of your choice by the end of your tutoring. And that is just about it. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching.